Today I'm going to show you how to compare documents side by side in Microsoft Word. So to do this, we're going to go over here to the review section, and what will essentially happen is you will get a few review options, including on the right hand side the compare. Now if you click on compare, there are two things that you can do. You can combine revisions from multiple authors into a single document, but what we want to do is compare two versions of a document side by side. So go ahead, click on this. On the left hand side, you will upload or choose the document that you would like to display. So for example, I've got this qualification. I'm going to go to the right hand side. I'm going to click on this. This is now the revised document. For example, I'm going to say this is the revised document. Now, if you go ahead and you want to swap them around, you can go and just choose this here. There are some additional options, but for now, quite simply, we are going to click on OK. Now, what will happen is it'll open up in a new window, and you'll be able to see your side-by-side document over here. So we've got our document here, and if we just go all the way down, you'll see our document. Let's click on Show Source Document. Here you can say Unhide, Show Original, and you can now see your revisions on the left, the original document over here, and the compared document. Now there are some other view options. You can show the revised only, or you can show both. It depends on exactly what it is that you'd like to see, but these are the different view options. You can now view them side by side, and as you're scrolling in this one will scroll. And if you're scrolling in this one will scroll.